your cheeks. Enduring all these hardships and denying myself, I choose you still. But I really meant all this. You are the one who makes me whole. My dearest love, that you would choose me as I do. In truth and honesty, for you to accept me forgiven. For a partner and friend, you will not have to search alone. But I really meant all this. You are the one, my greatest love.